Reality feels simple until science shows you how unbelievably strange the universe truly is. Let's begin. Phenomenon 1. Quantum entanglement. Imagine two particles separated by billions of miles. Now imagine that whatever you do to one particle instantly affects the other. No delay, no communication, faster than the speed of light. This is quantum entanglement, a phenomenon so strange that Einstein himself refused to believe it. He called it spooky action at a distance. But it's real. We've tested it. We've measured it. And today, we use it in quantum computers and encrypted communication. What's truly terrifying is this. Entanglement suggests that reality is deeply connected in ways our brains can't understand, as if the universe is one invisible web. Phenomenon 2. Time dilation. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, time does not pass equally for everyone. The faster you move, the slower time flows for you. Astronauts aboard the International Space Station experience this every day. In fact, an astronaut who spends 6 months in orbit will return to Earth a few milliseconds younger than everyone else. This means that time is not an absolute rule of the universe. It's flexible, stretchable, breakable. And theoretically, if you could travel close to the speed of light a single year, for you might equal hundreds of years on Earth. In other words, time travel is not science fiction. It's real physics. Phenomenon 3. The observer effect. In the quantum world, the simple act of observing something changes it. Electrons behave like waves when unobserved, but like solid particles when we look at them. It's as if the universe is waiting, watching, deciding how to behave based on consciousness. This raises disturbing questions. Does reality exist independently from us, or does it form only when observed? Some physicists believe the universe might be a type of simulation, and observation is the rendering process. Nobody knows for sure, but one thing is clear. You change reality simply by looking at it. Phenomenon 4. Quantum tunneling. Every atom in your body is constantly doing something impossible. Teleporting. Quantum particles can tunnel through barriers without breaking them, appearing instantly on the other side. This is the reason the sun shines. It's the reason atoms form. It's the reason your body even exists. If quantum tunneling stopped for 1 second, every star in the universe would go dark, instantly. A phenomenon this important yet totally unexplainable should not exist, but it does. Phenomenon 5. Black holes. Evaporate. Black holes, the most powerful objects in the universe, slowly evaporate over time. Stephen Hawking discovered that black holes emit tiny amounts of radiation now called Hawking radiation. This means that even the largest black holes will eventually shrink and disappear. The truly terrifying part? No one knows what happens to everything inside them. Information shouldn't be able to escape, but physics says information can't be destroyed. So, where does it go? Another universe? A different dimension? A cosmic recycling system? We have no idea. Black holes break the laws of physics, and physics allows it. Phenomenon 6. Dark matter. Look around you. Everything you've ever seen, planets, stars, galaxies, dust, represents less than 5% of the universe. The other 95%? We can't see it. We can't touch it. We don't know what it's made of. We call it dark matter and dark energy. Dark matter holds galaxies together. Dark energy pushes the universe apart. But here's the nightmare. We have zero idea what either of them actually are. The universe is basically a stranger. We understand almost nothing. Phenomenon 7. The deep ocean. We've explored more of Mars than our own oceans. 95% of Earth's ocean remains completely unmapped. And every time we explore deeper, we find creatures so bizarre they look like nightmares. Transparent animals, organisms with no eye species that live in total darkness, and creatures that glow like neon signs. We once thought giant squids were myths. Now we know they're real. So what else is hiding down there? The ocean is not empty, it's unknown. Phenomenon 8. The brain after death. When your heart stops, you do not lose consciousness immediately. Studies show that the brain remains active for up to 30 seconds, sometimes longer. That means you might still hear voices around you. You might still be aware. You might still experience thought, even after being declared clinically dead. Reality doesn't end when you think it ends. Phenomenon 9. The simulation problem. Some scientists believe the universe is made of code, not numbers, but patterns, rules, and digital-like behavior. The speed of light acts like a maximum processing speed. Quantum jumps look like frame-by-frame rendering, and the pixel-like structure of space-time resembles computer resolution. Elon Musk even claimed there's a 1,000,000,000 to 1 chance this is base reality. We cannot prove we're not in a simulation, and that fact alone is terrifying. Phenomenon 10. The heat death of the universe. The universe is expanding, stars are dying, galaxies are drifting apart, and eventually everything will fade. In trillions of years, every star will burn out, every black hole will evaporate, every atom will decay. This is called the heat death of the universe, the cold, silent end of everything. No more energy, no more stars, no more life, just darkness forever. If this video shattered your understanding of reality, you're not alone. The universe is far stranger than anything we experience on Earth. If you want more mind-twisting science, mysteries, and deep explanations, subscribe for your next mind blip. See you in the next one.